Hello dear students, in this video I am going to share the MCQs of the chapter The Enemy. This is your chapter 4 from the book Vistas. So let's begin. Question 1. Who is the author of the lesson The Enemy? Option A. Paul S. Burke, B. Dickens, C. D.S. Lawrence, D. None. Please guess the correct answer. Yes, option A is the correct answer. Paul S. Burke is the author. Next, why did Dr. Sadao treat the soldier when he was from enemy's nationality? Option A, he was a doctor. B, it was against his professional ethics. C, as a doctor, he could not let anyone die. And D, all. Guess the correct answer, please. Yes, option D is the correct answer, all. Next question. Who was Dr. Sadao? Option A, an Iranian doctor, B, an American doctor, C, a Japanese doctor, and D, none. Please guess the correct answer. Yes, option C is the correct answer. He was a Japanese doctor. Next question, how did Hana help Dr. Sadao? Option A, by assisting him, B, by giving him money, C, by giving him tools, and D, by working as a nurse. Please guess the correct answer. Yes, option D, by working as a nurse. Next question. Why did the general not pass order to arrest Dr. Sadao for giving space to a white man? Option A, because he trusted him. B, because he needed him. C, general was not in good health and needed his services. D, none. Please guess the answer. Yes, option C is the correct answer. General was not in a good health and needed his services. Question 6. Why did doctor become irritable and impatient with his patients? Option A, because of his inability to lead the white man to help his distressed wife. Option B, because of many patients. And C, because of general's pressure. And D, all of these. Guess the correct answer, please. Yes, option A is the correct answer because of his inability to lead the white man to help his distressed wife. Next question. Why did doctor's wife feel distressed? Option A, seeing many patients. B, seeing general's reaction. C, seeing the orders. And D, seeing white man's blood. Guess the answer, please. Yes, option D is the correct answer, seeing white man's blood. Next question. Why did the surgeon speak sharply to his wife? Option A, to get things he needed. B, to get her help. C, to stop any disturbance that could lead to harm the wounded man. D, none. Guess the correct answer, please. Yes, option C is the correct answer, to stop any disturbance that could lead to harm the wounded man. Next question. What was Hannah's reaction over her husband's words? Option A. She held her mouth with her hands and vomited outside the operation room. B. She shouted. C. She cried. D. She stopped helping him. Yes, option A is the correct answer. She held her mouth with her hands and vomited outside the operation room. Next question. Why did Hannah wash the wounded man herself? Option A, because of her servants. B, because her servants ran away. And C, because her servants refused to help an American and enemy soldier. And D, none. Please guess the correct answer. Yes, option C is the correct answer, because her servants refused to help an American enemy soldier. Next question. Why did the servants refuse to help? A, out of fears. B, because of the superstitions. And C, because he was an American soldier. And D, all of these. Guess the answer, please. Yes, option D, all of these. Next, how did doctor ensure that the American soldier had left safely? Option A, by escorting him. B, by seeing no signal of flashlight. C, by giving him a call. And D, none. Please guess the answer. Yes, option B is the correct answer, by seeing no signal of flashlight. Next question. Why did Sadao marry a Japanese girl only? Option A, because He liked Japanese. B. He didn't like any other nationality. C. Because his father's fear. And D. Because he didn't want to upset his father. So guess the answer, please. Yes, option D, because he didn't want to upset his father. Next question, what kind of person was Sadao's father? A. Serious. B. Jolly good man. C. Very strict. And D. A true patriot and traditional person. Guess the answer. Yes, option D. A true patriot and traditional person. Next, why did the messenger come to the doctor? A. To meet him. B. To check up. C. To inform about the journal's pain. And D. All of these. Guess the answer, please. Yes, option C. To inform about the journal's pain. Next question. Seeing the messenger, what was Hana's reaction? Option A. She got frightened. B. She thought he has come to arrest her husband. C. Journal's man. And D. All of these. Guess the answer, please. Yes, option D is the correct answer. All of these. Next question. What kind of person the journal was? A. Kind-hearted. B. A wise man. C. A selfish man. And D. None. Guess the answer, please. Yes. Option C is the correct answer. A selfish man. Next. Why did journal spare the white American soldier? A. To spare his own life. B. He himself was in pain. C. Needed Dr. Sadao's help. And D. All of these. Guess the answer? Yes, all of these. Next, how did doctor get rid of the American soldier? A. By giving him instructions. B. By giving him flashlight to use in times of distress. C. By asking him to row to the island. And D. All of these. Yes, guess the answer, please. Option D, yes, all of these. Next, why was Dr. Sadao not sent to the battlefield? A. Because he had no interest. B. He didn't love his country. C. He was supposed to offer his services to the general who was in pain. And D. All of these. Guess the answer, please. Yes, option C. He was supposed to offer his services to the general who was in pain. Next question. Why did doctor give his flashlight to the enemy soldier? A. To help him. B. To show him the way in the dark. C. So that he could send him signal in case of any distress. And D. All of these. Guess the answer, please. Yes, option C is the correct answer. So that he could send him signal in case of any distress with the help of flashlight. Next question. What was General's plan for American soldier? A. He wanted him to reach safely. B. Will inform his country. C. Will get him assassinated by some private assassins. And D. None. Guess the answer, please. Yes, option C. Will get him assassinated by some private assassins. Next question. Why did the servants leave doctor's house? A. Because he was wounded. B. Because he was dirty. C. Because he was an American soldier and they didn't like him. D. All. Yes, option C is the correct answer because he was an American soldier and they didn't like him. Next, where did doctor find American soldier? A. In the dark. B. In the battlefield. Sorry, A. In the park. B. In the battlefield. C. Outside his house. And D. None. Guess the answer? Yes, option C. Outside his house. Next, why did doctor help an enemy soldier? A. Because he was an ethical and sincere doctor. B. Because he was his friend. C. Because he knew him. And D. None. Guess the answer, please. Yes, option A. Because he was an ethical and sincere doctor. Next, what conflicting ideas disturbed doctor's mind after he brought American soldier? Question is, what conflicting ideas disturbed doctor's mind after he brought American soldier? A. Duty of a doctor and loyalty towards nation. B. His wife's health and journal's health. C. Patient's health and servants. And D. Servants' behavior. Guess the answer, please. Yes, option A is the correct answer. Duty of a doctor and loyalty towards the nation. Next question, how did doctor emerge successfully out of all the conflicts? A. By throwing the patients out of his house. B. By sending his servants out of the house. C. By succumbing before the general. And D. By saving soldier's life as a and sincere doctor and helping him to escape. Guess the answer, please. 27. Yes, option D is the correct answer, by saving soldier's life as a sincere doctor and helping him to escape. Next, what kind of person Dr. Sadao was? A. An excellent doctor. B. A compassionate human being. And C. Sincere and responsible citizen. D. All of these. Yes, option D is the correct answer, all of these. Next question, what idea do you form of doctor after reading the lesson? A. An excellent doctor. B. A compassionate human being. C. Sincere and responsible citizen. D. All of these. Guess the answer, please. Yes, option D is the correct answer, all of these. Next question, what were the dominant traits of doctor's personality? A. Expertise in his profession and compassion as a human. B. Obstinate. C. Doesn't like to obey anyone. And D. Rude. Guess the answer, please. Yes, option A is the correct answer. Expertise in his profession and compassion as a human. Next question. Why did Dr. Sadao go to America? A. To meet the soldiers. B. To meet his friend. C. To travel. And D. To study surgery and medicine, which was his father's wish. Guess the answer, please. Yes, D1, to study surgery and medicine, which was his father's wish. Next question, what did doctor give to the soldier? A. His boat. B. Food to eat. C. Flashlight to use in distress. And D. All of these. Yes, option D, all of these. He gave him all of these. Next question. What does this chapter revolve around? A. War. B. War between Israel and America. C. War between Malaysia and America. And D. War between Japan and America. Guess the answer, please. Yes, option D is the correct answer. War between Japan and America. Next question. What does the narrator speak about in the beginning of the chapter? A. The war. B. The general. C. Dr. Sadao's childhood and his father. And D. The servants and doctor's wife. Guess the answer, please. Yes, option C. Dr. Sadao's childhood and his father. Next, where did Doctor meet Hana? A. In Japan. B. In his neighbor. C. In the battlefield. And D. At the Professor Harley's house in America. Guess the answer, please. Yes, option D is the correct answer, at the Professor Harley's house in America. Next, why did doctor feel alone in the beach? A. For not bringing his wife with him. B. For not listening to the journal. C. For saving an American soldier's life. And D. None. Please guess the correct answer. Yes, option C, for saving an American soldier's life. Next question. At what age Dr. Sadao went to America? A. 22, B. 32, C. 12, and D. 42. Guess the answer, please. Yes, option A is the correct answer. At the age of 22, he went to America. Next, at what age he came back to Japan? A. 20, B. 40, C. 50, and D. 30. Guess the answer. Yes, at the age of 30, he came back to Japan. Next, how many children Dr. Sadao has? A. 4, B. 5, C. 3, D. 2. Guess the answer. Yes, option D. He has 2 children. Next question, what does Dr. Sadao remember towards the end of the story? A. 5 American faces which had a lion's share in his, and B. which had a lion's share in his life. C. His first landlady who was full of prejudice yet saved his life when he was suffering from influenza. D. All of these. Guess the answer, please. Yes, option D is the correct answer, all of these. Option A also, 5 American faces which had a lion's share in his life, and B which had a lion's share in his life. C. His first landlady who was full of prejudice yet saved his life when he was suffering from influenza. So all these options are correct. So that's all for the MCQs of the chapter The Enemy. I hope you will enjoy it. Keep watching. Thank you.